Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Janet Hernandez Aguilar. I am a student engineering agroforestry. Present slide. My life, project, and professional. 1. When I started studying agroforestry engineering, I realized the importance of focusing of geographic information systems, so useful when making a georeference in the area to be evaluating. 2. Every day you street met to meet my goals and be able to provide well-being to my family. 3. When my project becomes a reality, I will enjoy and well deserved a vacation with my family. 4. My business idea of implementing organic products in spectacular and also represents economics for farmers. 5. Being by the side of our loved owners is a reward for so much work for years. Thank you. Bye bye.